Today we'll be showing you how to set up D-Link's mini HD Wi-Fi camera, the DCS-8000LH. We'll walk you through connecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network, adding the camera to a mydlink account, and accessing your camera from the app. Before we get started, make sure your mobile device has Bluetooth 4.0, Bluetooth is enabled, and your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your camera to be on. In the box, we have the camera warranty information, quick install guide, power adapter, and the camera. Start by downloading the free mydlink Lite app from the iTunes App Store or from Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, log into your account and select Add a new camera, or if you don't have an account, start by selecting Sign up here. Next, you'll be asked to scan the QR code found on the bottom of the device. You can also select No and select DCS-8000LH from a list shown on the next screen. Then plug in your camera and wait until the power LED on the front blinks orange. Then tap Ready. Bluetooth 4.0 is required for this setup. If you don't already have Bluetooth turned on, turn it on now and click Next. When the next screen loads, select the Wi-Fi network you want your camera to be on and enter the Wi-Fi password to connect. Then select Next. If connection fails, try again and make sure that 1. Your mobile device is connected to the same network you want your camera on, and 2. The camera is within close proximity to your router. Once connected, you'll be asked to create a password for your camera. If you're new to mydlink, you'll be asked to create an account and verify your email, or you can add the camera to an existing mydlink account. You'll then see your connected camera listed in your remote devices. Now you'll be able to view your Wi-Fi camera anywhere, anytime with the free mydlink Lite app. If at any time the setup process is not successful, reset the camera and try again, or visit support.dlink.com for assistance. Thanks for watching. See you next time.